This is just a quick video to show how you can restore the Chrome Effect logo on your typewriter if it's faded. I use one of these Chrome marker pens which has a mirror type finish. I prefer these chisel tips as they flow quite well and enable you to get some detail quite easily. So here we have the finish has completely come off of this plastic Remington logo on this Remington standard typewriter. So it's really quick and easy. I'm just going to move the typewriter out of the way so I can show you more clearly here. So here we have the lid. Make sure it's clean and you've prepped the area first. And I'm going to get the Chrome marker pen and give it a good shake. And you want to make sure the tip is as wet as possible. And I find working with the chisel tip horizontally and just gently touching and brushing over just the very surface of the letters. You really want the tip to be wet, and you can then touch up any areas. It's not always easy to see when it's particularly sort of chrome on grey, but just angle it in the light and see any areas that need touching up, and you can just fill them in to get the mirror coating as even as possible. And already we can see that's made a difference. So cap back on the pen, and you do need to allow adequate time for this to dry. It can take a few days before it fully cures, so be careful when you're handling not to touch any area that you've just used the liquid Chrome marker pen on. So I'm going to pop this back on the machine and I will show you a quick before. So that was just back to the bare plastic, and here it is afterwards. So there's a slight mirror finish. Do allow plenty of time for the finish to cure. You'll need to check with your pen, and sometimes clear coat's a good idea to prevent the finish from tarnishing.